So I'm headed out to a listing right now, open house 2 to 4. Hopefully we'll pick up a couple luxury clients and hopefully we'll sell a house. Actually, we already have a full price offer. So we are in a bidding war. For those of you who say the real estate market is crashing or it's getting a little bit softer, well, I guess it depends on the price point or where you are, but I can tell you in Atlanta State, it is still going strong. Part of the video though is I've seen a lot of posts over the years or comments from people that are very well known, debt management, financial literacy, financial advisors, things like that, that say it is generally the people without money that are not millionaires that try to make themselves look like millionaires by buying things like supercars, watches, belts, nice clothes, fancy vacations, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, let's get it straight. There are two types of millionaires. There are the purposeful millionaires that are pursuing, trying to push to, not a millionaire status, but 10 million, 100 million status, and they're building specifically to fund a certain type of lifestyle. And then there are those that just actually hit regular millionaire status through just regular investing, like an IRA or 401k. Maybe they bought a piece of property in their 30s and they're finally reaching 60, 65 in with the equity in that property. And maybe some investing, like I said, in a retirement fund, they've hit that millionaire status. And that is the majority of millionaires, the people that hit millionaire status, that haven't spent a lot of money on things because they've just sort of been, working their 9 to 5 and just kind of saving. Then there are the other types of millionaires that are out there that are purposely going in and building assets and trying to build cash flow. And for most of us, we're trying to build that cash flow so that we can fund a certain type of lifestyle. In this case, it is going to be a lifestyle of being able to go out and, afford things like cars or watches or whatever. Now, I am not a watch person. I would never go spend $30,000, $40,000 or whatever on a watch. Absolutely not. If there's no point to it, I don't see the value in it. That's not what I like. I like supercars. I would drop $2 million on a Bugatti. I would drop $1 million on a nice Ferrari. I dropped a pretty good penny for the GT3 RS that I'm driving right now. Because the cars are my thing, that's what I spend money on. But I don't spend money on maybe the other things. And I would say the reason that I am going in and building generational wealth is so I can do this and also travel and do those types of things. So if you are pursuing it and you're hearing these people and you're seeing that, well, even if I do all these things, I can still drive a Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla, things like that. That's not the case. You can reward yourself once you hit a certain threshold, and that is usually when your cash flow can pay for the things that you're interested in. Don't listen to all the gurus, have some fun with your money, and reward yourself.